How to record your screen on Samsung M32. First of all, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick settings panel. Next, look for the screen recorder icon. If you don't see it right away, swipe left and tap the plus icon to edit and add the record screen to your quick settings. Then tap the screen recorder icon. You will get a pop-up asking for permission, so allow access to the microphone and storage if you want to record sound along with the video. After that, choose your sound settings, whether you want to record media sounds plus mic, or no sound at all. Also choose the video quality and enable or disable recording touch interactions. Then tap start to begin recording. Once you start recording, a small control panel will appear on your screen. You can stop the recording from there whenever you want. Your recorded video will automatically save to your gallery or the default video folder where you can view, edit, or share it easily. And that's it. Now you know how to record your screen on Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.